Still yet to get off the mark, Hyderabad. The last encounter, you just get that feeling, and the captain Saad Beg agrees they should have got that 5/55 shortened version of the game after rain hit. Top edge, and it's going to third man. Out, gone, first wicket. The captain goes. That ball travelled. Yeah, just wanted to check and make sure that they've got a legit delivery, and the captain of Hyderabad Hunters has to go back.
That's the right shot. It's just that he's probably rolled the wrist a bit too early. That's why he's got the top edge. And a good catch down at third man. Just the start the Warriors would have wanted. Not the start the Hunters were looking for. He goes for naught. Naught for one.
Runs here on the legs. They will always go for four no matter what level of cricket you're playing. It'll always be put away. Minimum risk, maximum result.
The line's not right. Sliding down the leg side.
No.
End of the first over, it's 4 for 1.
That's the wicket. It's gone a long way up, as well as long distance down to third man. There you go, the mentor Darren Sammy talking about thinking. They thoroughly enjoyed that. It's a good ball. Just got it right up there, allowed it to swing back into the left-hander. Thick inside edge. Now you can see seam presented nicely. Just nipping off the surface. That's why he's got the inside edge.
And this one just holds his line and just goes with the angle. He's jagging in, it's coming in. It's the height. Oh, he's been given. That took some time. I thought it was high. He'll surely go upstairs. He is going upstairs.
Front foot will be checked first, of course, while behind the line. This will give us an indication of where it pitches in line. Now it's hit him in front of the leg stump. I think this is going to be out. This looks good. Sikandar.
Yeah, it's got a good 2.5 or 2 foot to travel further. It'll clip leg stump, and it's given out on screen, on field. So, yeah, you need to completely miss the stumps to have that overturned. Well, let's see what the decision. Yes, he stays with the original decision, and that's out. That's trouble. Hyderabad are 2 down now with just 4 runs on board. Both the openers are back in the dugout now. Afaq just couldn't handle that shape in coming to him. It's a brilliant ball. He goes for no score. Hyderabad 4 for 2.
Yeah, this was a good delivery. It was angled across the left-hander. Just started to shape back in, pitching in line. That struck him quite high, but the umpire was right in his decision. It was a surprise the first time he gave it out, but
he hasn't got hold of it, and just drops short. It was in the air for a while. Irfan and tried his best to get his fingers underneath.
A desperate dive, but again, see the short ball, getting good pace off the pitch, getting good height. Batsman struggling to control those pull shots. I ended up being quite a long way away from it. But not a bad option. Not the first wicket with a bumper.
And then ground next door. Good shot. There is a fielder there with a shot of authority.
Nabil, full of energy. 2 straight to start. Put away comfortably behind square for 4.
Yeah, that's more like it. There's no point offering a dead bat just because you lost 2 wickets as a side. You can't forget about the job on hand, and that is to get runs in the power play. As many and as much as you can with minimum risk. Oh, it's in the air. So many of them are trying to get under it from the circle. It just lands safe. Good ball and good call. Bowlers, fast bowlers with the new ball have shown swing. Can they get 2 here? Yeah, big gaps there on the onside. The fielder in the deep had to cover a lot of ground to get to it.
In the air, it's gone wide of the bowler. Now there could be a run-out chance as well. It's a direct hit.
Replays will tell us they've already had 5 run-outs. Oh, this looks touch and go. Has he planted his bat or has he dragged it in? He's dragged it in, I think. Yeah. The bowler's boot is covering it, but you just get a feeling, yes, he's probably in. This will give us a better idea, His bat is in the air. And he's planting it in. Oh my God. How many times have I said that while you being next to me in the seat? Why don't they drag it in? Why do they plant it? This could be trouble.
Yeah, the clarification that'll have to be there is whether the third umpire feels that bat was on the ground.
Yes.
A little bit of a duck hook, that one. He's got away with it. Man from that region was inside the circle, so a little bit of good fortune. They could do with a bit of that, I suppose, the Hyderabad Hunters.
Emul Khan has been impressive with his variations. A lot of pace on offer, a lot of bounce. Moiz Rana not in control of the shot. Takes the top edge. There's no fielder on deep fine, so no chance for catching, and it goes for 4.
And up against a strong bowling attack as well, and that's gone through. That's an unforced error. That's a boundary. That's a good over too. 10 runs from it. 6 gone, 30 for 2.
That's Arbaz Khan for you. The moment you bowl any kind of bad ball to him, he's going to punish it. Straying down the leg side, misfield, shot fine. As a bowler, you can't complain too much because you have not bowled according to your field.